This is Mick from Nexus Property Management, New Haven County at 30 Duncan Street in Wallingford, Connecticut. I'm coming in the side door to Unit 1. This is the rear entrance. Here we open right into cabinets, countertop, and fridge. Step into a nice dining area. Bright windows. A door to the basement where there is washer and dryer that is shared with other occupants upstairs. White kitchen appliances. All right, let's check out the bedrooms. Nice sized bedroom for a queen setting. Nice big window, nice big closet. In bedroom 1. Step into bedroom 2. All right, and finally, this apartment has a nice large living space. And there's the baseboard heating throughout. Nice hardwood floors. Really nice unit. Paint is all new. Speaking of new, we have a new floor, a new vanity in the bathroom. And one final perk, in addition to this being a Nexus managed property, where you'll have the option of online payment and 24/7 maintenance hotline. Also a nice, comfortable porch. Again, this is 30 Duncan Street in Wallingford, Connecticut. Nexus Property Management, New Haven County.